Welcome to KimL Wallet. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to hide a wallet in KimL Wallet, a simple way to boost your privacy and keep your assets secure. Before we begin, please note that you must have more than one wallet in your account. If you only have one wallet, the Hide Wallet feature will not be available. From the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This will open the sidebar. Now tap Wallets to view all the wallets in your account. You'll now see all of your wallets. Locate the wallet you'd like to hide. Tap the three-dot menu next to that wallet. On the Wallet Settings page, select Hide Wallet. Before enabling this feature, tap the information icon to understand how Hide Wallet works. Hiding a wallet removes it from the wallets list and every screen that shows your wallets, including address book, swap and send, receive, etc. You'll set a secret code to hide it. The code itself is never stored. Only a securely scrambled version of it is kept. To bring a hidden wallet back, search its exact secret code on the wallet's screen. Partial matches do not reveal it. Choose how it rehides itself. On app relaunch, default, as soon as the app is backgrounded, or only when you manually turn this switch off. While backing up to Google Drive, hidden wallets are not backed up. Turn off Hide Wallet for this wallet if you want it included in your Google Drive backup. Once you've finished reading, tap Got It. Enable the Hide Wallet toggle. A secret code field will appear. Enter any secret code you'd like to use. Make sure you remember this code carefully, as you'll need the exact same code to unhide your wallet in the future. Next, choose when your wallet should automatically hide again. You can select on app relaunch, which is the default option. On app background, which hides the wallet as soon as the app goes into the background. Or manual only, which keeps the wallet visible until you manually disable Hide Wallet. To learn how notification deletion works, tap the information icon beside Delete Notifications. This wallet currently has no notification alerts. This controls whether this wallet's notification alerts are deleted when the wallet is hidden. Enabled, default. All of this wallet's alerts are deleted, so nothing on your lock screen or notification tray reveals its activity. Deleted alerts are not restored when you unhide the wallet or turn this off. You'll need to recreate them from the notification alert screen. Disabled. This wallet's alerts are kept, and you'll continue receiving notifications even while it's hidden. After reading, tap Got It. Choose whether you'd like to delete this wallet's notifications when it is hidden. Turn the toggle on or off based on your preference. Once you're ready, tap Save. A confirmation screen will now appear. This wallet will disappear from the wallets list, and every screen that shows wallets, including address book, swap and send, receive. The only way to bring it back is to search its exact secret code on the wallet screen. While backing up to Google Drive, hidden wallets are not backed up. Turn off Hide Wallet for this wallet if you want it included in your Google Drive backup. It will rehide once the app is fully quit and reopened. This wallet has no notification alerts, so nothing will be deleted. If you're ready, tap Got It, Hide Wallet. You'll now be redirected back to the home screen. Open the sidebar again and go to Wallets. As you can see, the wallet you selected is no longer visible. Your wallet has now been successfully hidden. If you want to access your hidden wallet again, open the Wallets page and use the search bar at the top. Enter the exact secret code that you created while hiding the wallet. The secret code is not case sensitive, so you can enter it using either uppercase or lowercase letters. However, the text itself must match exactly. Once you enter the correct secret code, it will immediately appear in the wallet list. You need to select the wallet to access it. Once you select a hidden wallet, it will appear on every screen, such as the address book, swap, and other wallet-related sections. It will be hidden again automatically based on the condition you selected on the Hide Wallet screen. Thanks for watching KimL Wallet.